Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with some more humor content.
Yes, and this time this is exam Sothanagal 2.
Yes, so this is the content is of Mike set, so
Mike
we
set.
can sense the humor.
this is going to be hilarious video.
Yes.
Another one. Okay, and I think you people might have known before we tell that this is a hilarious humor content.
Yes.
That is must be Mike set
Right.
Sothanagal video.
And
so
also
this one is
during
exam.
time and a lot of
Yeah.
the pressure and everything.
It will
It will be
include
there
everything.
on any student, and
Any
I think
students.
on between that there will be a lot of humor as well.
And comedy. Okay,
Yes.
so yes, let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
கடவுளே எப்படியாவது பாஸ் ஆயிடணும் கடவுளே
भगवान को पूजा.
ஆயுஷ்மான் பாபா டேய் மச்சான் எங்க மாமா பாலிவுட் எல்லாம் வேலை செய்றாரு கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் நேத்தே அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சு டேய் அப்படியா ஆமா
நீங்களாம் திருடவே மாட்டீங்களாடா சாவு
நாங்க எல்லாருமே அன்னைக்கு எக்ஸாம் நினைச்சு ரொம்ப பயத்தோட இருந்தோம்.
Yes, everybody is intense. Oh,
हीरो हारा हीरो कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है ये, इसको पता भी नहीं है क्या एग्जाम है शायद. Sir, from the exam.
இது தனக்கு மட்டும்தான் எல்லாமே
This is
தெரியும்.
new everything.
கர்வத்தோட உள்ள நடந்து வந்தோம்.
Topper.
கடைசியா எக்ஸாம் ஹால் உள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எங்க எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து
During the exam hall, he has asked us.
அந்த கேள்வி ஆமா இன்னைக்கு என்ன எக்ஸாம் ஏய் எக்ஸாம்னா உனக்கு பயமே இல்லையா
ஏப்பட்டா
ஏதோ 10 பேஜ் படிச்சுட்டு வந்து கதை
This is
எழுதுறவாடா
the right stories. Okay.
நான் எழுதுற 10 பேஜுமே கதை தான் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்
Page is full of stories. This is going to be hilarious now. Okay. I think we can totally relate this video now. It's coming, sir. Please, sir. अरे बाप रे, bench checking. फर्स्ट बेंच पे है इसका शायद. Oh, last bench.
சார்
his seat is not in this class.
நம்பர் காணா சார்
நம்பர் என்ன
16 சார்
இங்க வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பெஞ்ச்ல உட்காரு
I told you, no?
என்ன விஷயம் என்ன தெரியுமா எக்ஸாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ்ல கொஞ்சம் எழுதி
First bench. Oh my God.
குடிமையை நான் அன்னைக்கு நான் அனுபவிச்சேன்
It's the worst thing in the world, unfortunately. Yes, that is true. I always pray to God during my school times.
போன வருஷமே எல்லா ராசியும் எழுதி
Story writer.
இந்த வருஷம் என்ன எழுதுறது
Right now.
Right. Okay.
ஐடியா
Idea.
பப்ஜி பப்ஜி ஸ்கோப் ஏ ஸ்கோப் எனிமி சார் ஹே
By the way, PUBG is banned now.
Yeah. कुछ भी लिख रहा है वो, ठीक है? Story बना के.
Whatever he have played, he is writing
Yes,
in the
yes.
paper.
He's acting, man.
Bhakti
Govinda
moment.
Harigovinda.
எழுதுறியா
ராவு காலத்துல எழுதக்கூடாது நீங்க ஆத்துல சொல்லியிருக்கா அதான் நல்ல நேரம் வரட்டும்னு காத்து நிற்கிறேன்
Auspicious time, so I can't write now.
மச்சான் மண்டாடா மச்சான் ஸ்கோப்
Okay, PUBG moment. He is remembering all of.
டேய் ஹெவி பண்ண மாட்டியா நீ மச்சான் ஏர் டிராப் போவாத
Here, bro.
to the safe zone.
மச்சான் ஸ்கோப் போடு
Let's go.
Chicken dinner.
அடிக்க சொன்ன பப்ஜியா விளையாடுறீங்க
Snacks moment. Okay. So me.
For teacher. Yes,
Uh-huh.
for teacher.
For teachers only it is to come.
கஷ்டப்பட்டு எக்ஸாம் எழுதுனா
Study hard and write the exam.
சம்சம் உங்களுக்குடா
This is after you.
கடைசியில நாங்க படிச்ச அந்த ஒரே ஒரு
பாகுபலி
question
moment.
வந்துச்சு
அந்த क्वेश्चन வந்துச்சு
That question has come.
பாகுபலி பாகுபலி
Probably.
Stop, listen to me.
என்ன எவ்வளவு எழுதினாலும்
Page
page
filling
filling ஆகவே மாட்டேங்குது. கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ல இருக்கிறது எழுதியாச்சு.
Then everything from the
என்ன
question
பண்றது?
paper. What can I do?
Font size increase பண்ணிடலாமா? ஐடியா.
Font size of बड़ा बड़ा कर दिया.
The following diagram is example of this question. Sir, original.
Exactly.
Brilliant
This is
student.
to
हाँ
happen.
हाँ हाँ. Yes.
This is the Sorin and leaf all Kachi symbol diagram. And above the diagram is example for this question.
अरे बाप रे.
Complete.
Additional paper.
என்ன எழுதுறான்லே எனக்கு காட்டுறது என் உயிர் நண்பர் கண்ட
Hence,
கொடுப்பான்
சார் பேப்பர் கேட்குறேன் சார்
ऐसा करते हैं लोग ऐसा. बहुत गुस्सा आता है सीरियसली ऐसा करते हैं. सर मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है.
உனக்காக உயிரே கொடுக்குற சொல்ற ஃப்ரெண்டு கூட நம்பு ஆனா எக்ஸாம் எல்லாம் காட்டுன்னு சொல்ற ஃப்ரெண்டை மட்டும்
Show you my paper in
நம்பவே
exam.
நம்பாத
Don't believe them.
எழுதுல போல
I haven't anything helping me.
ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல ப்ரோ
சரி இந்தாங்க இதை பார்த்து
हेल्प कर रहा है. अब सोचेगा ये मेरा भाई है. You are not my friend, you are my brother.
சாரி ப்ரோ
Emotional moment.
okay. He has given to somebody else.
Oh, okay. Helping moment now.
Helping moment. So
अब पता चलेगा क्या वो पूरा everybody fail. ये होगा.
everybody's answer is same.
இன்னும் எழுதாம உட்காந்துருக்கேன் அண்ணா நேரம் வரட்டு ஓய்
इश अभी भी वो
ஓகே டைம் பேப்பர் கொடு குடு குடு ஏய் குடுறா
Oh my god. What is that?
बा
ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் ப்ரோ
என்ன ப்ரோ 12th முடிச்சு ஜாலியா போயிடுவீங்க நாங்க அப்படியா இப்பதான் 10th எழுதிக்கிறோம் 10th ஆமா ப்ரோ ஹாப்பி ஹாலிடே ப்ரோ
क्या हुआ वो
He failed every time. This time.
was doing to become an engineer.
என்ன எழுதுன்னு கூட தெரியாம ஆடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வந்து என் புத்தி செருப்பால அடிக்கணும்
சார்
எஸ்
அடுத்த எக்ஸாம் எப்போ சார்
ஏன்பா
Next attempt.
எப்படி எல்லாரும் ஃபெயில் ஆயிடுவோம் பார்ட் 3க்கு சார்
Part 3. So all the castings are outstanding. They're acting.
Outstanding
So-
acting, and most of the part was a relatable.
Very
you can say.
relatable. I think all of the parts probably are
I
relatable.
think
Okay.
most of the students they have faced this kind of
This
scenario.
kind of scenarios, and every time, not every time, most of the time my bench was like always at the first bench only at the time of exam, and
Yes.
I became very
During
sad.
engineering time also
Engineering
you
time,
had,
हाँ,
right?
बाप रे. I was like अरे क्यों मेरा ये हमेशा यही पड़ता है first bench. Okay, that is very sad. And also that time last moment writing, people are writing, right? The students are writing. That also happens, and paper. We are thinking what she is or he is writing, that he is
it
like,
happens a lot with us.
continuously, like within 5 minutes he is asking for papers.
Paper,
Sir,
paper,
additional
paper.
papers.
And,
I'm like, what he
just
is
because
writing
of
now?
that,
we
were
get frightened actually.
What he
Who
is
is
writing?
writing?
How much he is writing? Oh my god.
That happens a lot. And this is hilarious. The Sriram's acting is undoubtedly awesome. Like every time, this one is the best, I
I
think,
think not
because his
only of the
expression.
Srirams, but everybody.
Everyone's, yes.
That guy who
We
was
cannot forget to
praying
mention.
till 30 minutes and all.
Yeah. Everyone's, the external teacher,
Right.
the students, folk students, everyone's acting are marvelous. Okay, and I really love that part where he was asking for help, and the student is telling, sir, he is disturbing me. That also happened with me several times. Okay, so
that can also happen, and that also in exam center we were writing the paper, and some
You are
chips
moving,
or biscuit
Biscuit
is
also,
for
हाँ.
it is coming only for teacher, and we are thinking when we will get.
when we will get it, and our mouth are getting watering, just like this
because
only.
most of the time we
Yeah.
didn't get the answer what I told this, so we
are
were looking
thinking
here
and
and
here and there. Yeah, the engineering time is most relatable because the exams times, that time we are not that much old. That time we are like very small, and our main motto is to write, and we were very studious during the school time, but the college time is very much relatable with this thing. That time we don't know about our future and everything, so
Yes,
we are very
Melly,
less serious.
Used to study one day night
One day
before
night
the
only before the
examination.
exam. So that is what actually I am very, now I'm thinking about
Yeah.
my college days, and I'm feeling very that kind of that, if that time again will come in my
Yes.
life again, I will write papers, and
That
that
was a
was the
cherishable
precious
moment, you
time,
can say.
precious time of our life. So definitely I think most of the people,
Everybody
everyone
can
can
relate this
everyone.
one. And I think
That is why this video is
whoever
very
is
real.
going to watch this, they will laugh for sure.
For sure, because they can relate, and they can easily can understand that this video is a very real video.
Yes.
Not extra. The execution is very real, very brilliant. The dialogue deliveries are very brilliant, and
Right.
that one guy is doing puja, and
Yes,
he's
that's
keep on telling that no perfect time has not come yet.
Yes.
I have to do
Right.
puja after that. That also happened.
Yes, and also that also, like anybody is coming into examination halls without any tension, without
yeah.
any pressure. He haven't studied anything before examination. He's saying today is this paper or
This paper,
which
Rashid,
paper is
and,
there.
Rashid, if you are watching this video, Rashid is our college mate. He did the same thing. Okay, he is very cool, and he was reading some another. I think he was reading chemistry paper, and that day physics exam was there. Okay, so
I think
he is
he-
reading chemistry. So I'm like, what are you reading? Just 5 minutes before the exam will start, in the
Yes.
bench only, on the bench only. He's like, no, I have to read everything. I am well prepared today. I'm like, today what exam is there? Yeah, chemistry exam. I don't know, this is physics exam. He's like, what? That is hilarious. Okay, I can totally relate everything.
Same kind of it happened in school also, and
School,
also
हाँ, school में
for
भी होता
me also, before leaving for exam center also, I used to check. I have studied the same paper, whatever I am
Yeah,
going to give the
I'm going to
examination
give
today.
Yeah.
It happens.
Very very precious
Right.
moment, very funny. That kind of moments, that days will never come back.
Yeah, right.
That is the golden days of our life. Okay, so yes, now if you are watching, and if you are studying in college, just live your life. This is the best life which you are living now, in the
Right.
college life. Okay, after that, so many tension, job pressure, life will be having
Right.
taken a very big turn. So
Yes.
just now have to live your life
Enjoy
king
your
size, enjoy. Okay, and yeah, your friends are the precious thing, so take care of them, and take care
And
of
also
yourself
study.
also.
Don't,
Study
forget
also.
that study.
So yes, that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed it.
Yes.
It is brilliant, and I
soon,
hope that
part
you'll also
3 will
enjoy
also
it.
come, right?
And we will give a reaction
Yes.
on that also. So yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Santosh Kumar, and he's commenting, please reaction on Shiva Karthikeyan Ayalan movie, please. So firstly we can do the trailer reaction. After
Right.
that we can do the movie scenes reaction.
Yes,
Okay,
and
so
by the way, he's writing his comment on Romeo official
Tamil
So,
trailer,
of
yeah.
course, that trailer was too much hilarious.
hilarious. Okay, so yes, definitely we'll be doing, and thank you so much for suggesting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Muhammad Nawaz, and he is writing his comment on Corona Sothanigal reaction by Mike Set, and he's saying, please react to Illuminati's hostel episode. It's very fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes,
Definitely.
exactly. A lot of the people have told that there is a lot of the fun content
contents
in
also there.
hostel. Yes.
So
of
we
course,
have already
to
done the
cover it.
English teacher video from Illuminati's, and I think that part 2, part 3 I think are still remaining. We'll be
Right.
doing, and after that only we can do the hostel episodes, because
Yes.
I think already we have done the part 1, right, for English
Yes.
teacher. So but the second remaining
Lunch
parts also we
break or
can do
something is
lunch
there,
break or
yes.
So definitely we'll be doing, and yeah, it is very fun to watch comedy videos, and they are talented, Illuminati's, then Mike says, they both are extraordinary.
Right,
So
that's
definitely it would be a great pleasure for us to give the reaction on that, and soon it will be coming on our
Yes.
channel. So the third comment for today's video is from Karan Shekhar, and he's commenting on Thala Ajit Vedalam interval fight scene reaction. He's commenting, with Tamilian fan, worship him. He's a real gentleman, no gossip man. He's a good-hearted human. His decisions are solid even in politics.
Okay.
And he's commenting, I think, on Thala Ajit sir's,
Yes.
right? So yes, definitely, he's a real gentleman, and
And
he's
we
a
love
very
his
good
acting
person.
skill.
His
And
acting is
mostly we have
brilliant.
seen him on the films and
Yeah.
everything. So
Yeah, and also one thing I just want to include here, that we have seen the making of some videos. No,
Yes.
there also he is helping
Right.
some
Then
of the
also-
co-stars. Okay,
Yes, of
okay,
course.
मारपीट का scene था,
He
and he's
fall
telling,
down,
yeah,
he
fall
fall
down.
down,
He
and
was like,
after
"Are
that
you
he was
okay?"
speaking,
He
and
was
speaking
speaking.
also, yes,
So
right.
that shows that how generous and how good personality he is
Right.
having. So that is brilliant, and yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our video. So
Yes.
these are the 3 comments of today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That
Yes.
means a lot to us. us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.